Hi guys, welcome back. Right, in this video we're going to look at changing the background, the font colour, and just loads of different style stuff, okay? So we're going to kind of just change the look of the app. Right, the first thing we're going to look at doing is changing the top bit here. So you know we've always got like a header at the top of all of our pages. If we go to guides, we've got guides. If we come to maps, I'm not sure if it's on maps. We've got map. If we go to gallery, we should have gallery. So they're all kind of on there, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to anywhere. So you click say on the home tab. We're then going to go up to settings. So on settings, when it loads up, you can click on styles. And what we're going to do is we're going to change this top part. So in general, we've got header color. So let's change the header colour. I'm going to use a white for mine. So I'm going to select white. I'll save it quickly. You should see that it changes it. So let's go back into settings. Back to styles. I'm going to change the text colour. I'm going to go for like a dark blue. Okay, something like that. If I want to make it darker, yeah, like that. And press save. Actually, while I'm here, I'm going to change the font. I'm going to use. Let's change to. We'll go for any of them. Just you can pick whichever one you want. So let's change it. You should see it. Yeah, it's changed a little bit now. So let's change the look just slightly. Right now we can, if we want to, we can actually change the background. So on our icon screen, we can set it so we've got an image in the background. Or a colour. So let's go to settings again, to styles. Along the top here we need to select icon screen. Okay, and what we can do is we can upload, and inside your London app folder in the images you've got these two images here that I've set up for you to use. I'm just going to select the black darker background one. It's going to take a couple of seconds because I'm actually uploading videos to YouTube at the same time, so it's kind of slow this evening. For your apps, you could do kind of any image you wanted really, but you'd have to find out what dimensions it's meant to be. If you ask me in the lesson, I'll be able to tell you. Right, that's the image that's going to come into the background. So let's press save. We should, in a second, it should change on here. So now you can see how we've got like an image in our background on this home page, which is quite nice. Back in settings, we can now kind of like, we can go to styles again, and on our standard screen, so if you want a background say for the gallery, so here, and then it's just plain white, okay, you can either use an image, or if not use an image though, at the bottom here you've got colour. You can select a colour, so I'm going to select, let's say like a grey colour, like there. Okay. Again, you guys can pick whatever you want. Okay. Let's press save, and you should see now it's changed it like that. Okay. And you can have a play around with that. You can kind of really do a lot of what you want. Okay. In here, so you can kind of change the text colour, a standard screen, icon screen. Okay, it's up to you what you want to do. Have a play around with it. Spend a few minutes just kind of like adjusting it. Remember, when you come up with a style, like a colour scheme, it's important that you use it the same colour scheme throughout, because it will give it kind of like a professional appearance. Also, I'd make sure you try and select sensible colours. Okay, so you can, I've just now put like a little divider colour in there. I would really say just try and use sort of suitable colours, okay, because what you don't want to happen is that it looks silly, it looks unprofessional, so you're better off kind of sticking to like one colour scheme. Right, have a go at that. In the next video I'm just going to quickly show you how to publish your app, so you can actually share it with people, so then you can actually get it onto a phone or an iPad. Okay, see you in the next video.